Since the beginning of Sri Lankan history, sewing is a craft that has been woven into the fabric of our culture. 2 decades after the invention of the first practical sewing machine by Isaac Merritt Singer, it was introduced to Sri Lanka in 1877 by Singer Sri Lanka, the pioneers in sewing. Since then, the sewing machine became an integral part of many Sri Lankan households. This widespread adoption of the sewing machine sparked creativity and inspired numerous designers in the country. Motivated by this transformation, Singer Sewing School was established in the 1960s, which subsequently converted to Singer Fashion Academy in 2001. Today, the Singer Fashion Academy stands as a fashion design giant in Sri Lanka, with fully functional academies established island-wide, transforming the lives of many Sri Lankans. We offer a diverse range of certificate and diploma-level sewing courses in embroidery, needle painting, pattern making, scientific dressmaking, and many more. Taking a step forward, Singer Fashion Academy introduced fashion designing into the curriculum in 2016, and we have produced many uniquely talented fashion designers to the industry thus far. Our fashion design pathway consists of certificate level, diploma level, and advanced diploma level, leading its way towards a bachelor's degree. At present, we have collaborated with lovely professional university Punjab to offer the final year in India. Our courses are accredited locally by the Tertiary and Vocational Education Commission and recognized by the Chartered Society of Designers, UK. Shifting towards the ever-changing digital era, we have embraced technology to increase accessibility. Many of our short courses are now conducted via video conferencing technologies. We have also introduced an e-learning platform enabling remote, on-demand learning from anywhere in the world. We conduct classroom sessions using state-of-the-art technology to provide an interactive learning experience. Understanding the unique needs of our students, we promise personalized attention, flexible learning, and training options tailored to individual skill levels. Our sewing instructors are well experienced, and we conduct a pristine evaluation process using practical and written examinations. For many years, we have paved way for our students to showcase their talents to the world with the right knowledge and guidance. In fulfilling our societal responsibilities, Singer Fashion Academy carries out projects aimed at empowerment through sewing. One notable initiative, Diri Viyaman, involved identifying talented individuals and providing them with the necessary support to kickstart their entrepreneurial journey. We conduct free workshops and guidance sessions across the island to inspire and empower sewing enthusiasts. Our collaborations with government institutions have created many opportunities for our students to thrive. We're not just an institute, we're a catalyst for change through generations, creating entrepreneurs, guiding them towards their ambitions. That has been our journey. Are you ready to unravel yours?